One of the most fascinating places in the D&D multiverse is Sigil. Think of it as a centre of everything. It's a city unlike any other, floating in the middle of an infinite void called the Outlands. Imagine a great hollow ring like a wheel, suspended in space, and inside that space is a sprawling, chaotic city full of surprises. Sigil is often called the City of Doors, for good reason. Its streets are riddled with portals, doorways that can take you anywhere in the multiverse. If you have the right key, and that's important, a rusty nail, a whisper, a coin from a faraway land, almost anything could unlock one of these doors. But here's the catch. Sigil chooses who gets to come and go. You can't just stroll in uninvited. At the heart of Sigil is its ruler, the Lady of Pain. She's mysterious, almost godlike, and she's a being who keeps the city in check. No one dare cross her. Those who do end up in a labyrinth-like maze. Oh, and don't worship her, she doesn't like that. What makes Sigil special isn't just its portals or its ruler even. It's the people, because Sigil is home to every type of person. Demon, angel, Githyanki, Modron, and people just like you. They're all crammed together, making deals, forcing alliances, and sometimes stabbing each other in the back. It's chaotic, dangerous, and utterly magical. Why am I talking about Sigil? Well, it's a good place to start, or end up from your adventure. Maybe you've stumbled through a portal and find yourself lost in its winding streets. Maybe you need to find someone or something that only Sigil can offer. With beings from all around the multiverse, that's where you best look for an item. Maybe you're just here to survive. But Sigil is alive and it has rules. Portals in Sigil are not obvious. A plain archway, sure, a puddle, or even a shadow could be a portal. The trick is finding the key, and sometimes those keys are physical objects, like a feather or a gemstone. Otherwise they could be actions, like saying a phrase or performing a ritual. Part of the cool adventures is finding out what those keys are. Sigil is also full of factions of its own, each with their own beliefs and goals. Some want to study the nature of reality, others just crave power, and a few just want to blow things up for fun. And joining factions can open doors for you, like literally and figuratively. Now, they did come out with a box set, the Planescape box set, which makes you dig deeper. It's a good DM screen. I've not run the adventure yet, but maybe we'll dig into further of these if you like me to.